Turbulence may not be the absolute last unsolved problem in classical physics, but it's definitely a strong contender. Here's why it's such a challenge. The elusive nature of the beast. 1. Multi-scale mayhem. Turbulent flow involves a crazy mix of eddy sizes from large swirls down to microscopic wiggles. 1. The equations describing this get messy because the behavior changes at different scales. 2. Chaotic butterfly. Turbulence is hypersensitive to starting conditions. 2. Tiny differences can lead to wildly different outcomes, making long-term prediction nearly impossible. 2. Imagine a butterfly flapping its wings in one scenario causing a hurricane in another. The math gets messy. 1. The Notorious Equations, the Navier-Stokes equations govern fluid flow, but for turbulent systems, they become incredibly complex and solving them directly is only feasible for very simple cases. 2. Million-dollar question. There's even a $1 million Clay prize hanging out there for proving whether solutions to these equations always remain smooth or can become infinitely wiggly at small scales. So what does this mean? We can't perfectly predict or fully understand turbulence with classical physics. While scientists have made significant progress with statistical models and simulations, a fundamental grasp of the underlying mechanisms remains elusive. This lack of understanding hinders our ability to optimize airplanes for smoother flight, predict weather patterns with perfect accuracy, and fully understand many natural phenomena. Even though it's a tough nut to crack, scientists are constantly making headway with new approaches, including advanced computing and new theoretical frameworks. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll finally tame the turbulence.